in the TTD Devasthanam website, we see Christian songs coming in.
Yes.
I'm sure you know that.
Pakka.
What is this happening?
Why?
What is happening and what will you say to the government which is trying to impose Christianity into the temple?
Tirupati temple, Balaji temple, attracted by lakhs and crores of people. So, the day by day, this is increased. And so much revenue also generated. Because so many big, rich people came and they donate lakhs and crores. So much. So, two things is there. The mainly, Christian missionaries, they are attacking our India culture since hundreds of years. So this temple, Balaji temple, is a heart for the Hindus. If they can destroy this place, so they can easily convert the rest of the Hindus. Already they converted so many people and they formed government also. So Andhra Pradesh got first Christian CM by the grace of Telugu people. Because Telugu people mostly, they are not reading any scriptures. So they are pakka seculars. Secular means who don't use brain. They say everything is one. And that kind of people encourages these conversions. When everything is one, why this fun? Why you are converting others? When everything is one. So, these people want to spoil the environment. So, they joined in TTD. They joined in TTD in the name of Hindu and they show the Hindu certificate and they use the caste certificate and Hindu name and they join. And they are getting salary from Balaji. With that money only, they preach about Christianity. See, this virus in several ways, different ways, they joined. They joined in different corners of TTD in the name of Hindus. And they want to ruin this. And they want to rule this, both. So they did their level best in books and websites and directly also they are spoiling. Like some Tamil Nadu people came and they are doing bhajan in front of the temple at Tirumala. One policeman came, hey, why you are doing this? Sir, Tirumala, we came for that only. Why? Who told you to come here? Sir, we are devotees of Balaji. Hey, Balaji is not God. Don't do this bhajan here. And very rubbishly speaks and pushed them. And they are asking, why you are doing this? I am Christian, I do like this only. You want to tell to anyone, you can tell. Such a way, they are spoiling. They are taking salary from Balaji. The salary comes through hundi filled with Hindus. Hindus' money utilized for destroying Hinduism. That is happening in Tirumala. So the Balaji is there. Devotees have staunch faith on Balaji. 10 years ago, one fellow played with Balaji and he merged.
You mean Jagan Reddy's daddy?
Whoever it may be. Some 20, 15 years ago, one more fellow played with Balaji and 25 years ago, one more fellow played with Balaji. They get into fire. See, Balaji there is not a stone. See, we should go to Lord with love and affection, bhaya and bhakti, awe and reverence. Both are not there. They think it's an idol. No, Balaji is there. He's a Swayambhu. But fools cannot understand. He said by Bhagavad Gita, Avajananti Mam Muda Manishantaru Mahasya. They're fools, you know. They're demonic people. They thought same way. It will happen that too. This is Kali Yuga. So more demons, more disturbance. But still, it's going on. But devotees are fighting. We are fighting. We are meeting so many times, and we are arranging rallies, dharnas, and press meets. And we are using social media to aware the people. Hindus, to awake the Hindus, and this reaches already government officials, and now this is discussed by so many big people, and maybe we hope few months, very few days or few months, it take time, and we will get one clarity, because more than 2,000 people in TTD, they are Christians in the name of Hindus. They run churches, taking salary here and doing nonsense here. So Balaji is there. We have full faith on Balaji. He will show the solution for this pollution.
And now in Andhra, you got a new ration card with the Jesus Christ on the back.
Yeah.
When whole, see, one of the thing is in North America, all the churches in Europe are getting emptied. Nobody wants to go. They don't want to be a Christian. And these guys come here and selected and using the government fund to promote Christianity using the ration card.
I come across with one person who support that party. He is a Hindu. His name also Dharma, but our karma. So I asked about this. Why you guys doing this? Then he said, no, it is not on ration card. This is only some paid batch. So like that they said. So they did so many things against democracy and against Hindus. Destruction of temples and increasing more conversations, converting so many people, and in the ghats of near temples, and they are sticking so many big posters of Jesus, Christian preaching posters on temple walls, and near temple they are putting mics, and now this December they put big stores. This is all happening. I felt it's not the mistake of Christians. I strongly believe, I felt this is the mistake of Hindus, not mistake of Christians. Why? Hindus, magnanimous heart, and thinks, everybody is one. Any God name, different God is same. Ekam Sat Vipra Bodhavati. In that mood, they are very soft heart. They take advantage of this. And they think these guys cannot do anything if we attack. That is their dhairya. With that dhairya only, they are doing all this nonsense. Of course, God is there. In appropriate time, He will respond to them. So only main thing, in AP and Telangana, almost some 10 crore people are there. So some 8 crores are Hindus. But very bad thing, there is no Bhagavad Gita in most of Hindus' house. There is no Ramayana in the most of the Hindus' house. And maximum Hindus have TV, cell phone, laptop, what's I don't know, that's called, what is that, dish connection. So many things are there. Lakhs of rupees they spend for this. They are able to spend 200 for one good Bhagavad Gita. They are not going. Why means they are brainwashed from past 60, 70 years. What that brainwashing? Hey, this is not time for to read Bhagavad Gita. Hey, you are too young, 20 plus. Hey, no, when you have to read? After 60 years. And now Telugu Hindus, I don't want to comment, but I have to comment. These fellows playing Bhagavad Gita when somebody died. Bhagavad Gita for dead bodies or living. So they are playing on dead bodies. When dead body is moving in a car, the mobile van, they are playing. Or when dead body is waiting for visitors, they are playing Telugu Bhagavad Gita, Gandasala Bhagavad Gita. They are not reading Bhagavad Gita. They are not keeping Bhagavad Gita. They are not holding Bhagavad Gita. They are not preaching Bhagavad Gita. They are not hearing also. Only dead body is there, they are playing Bhagavad Gita. Preaching about our culture is less in a Telugu place. And Telugu people, very fortunate, they got in Telangana on Nizam rule and AP on Jesus rule. So both are great civilizations who disturbed and destroyed Sanatana religion, Dharma.
Now, I want to ask you about one important thing. That is, anybody can go and register they are a pastor and they get a 5,000 rupees monthly salary.
Yes.
And no, our Hindu priests are dying.
Yes.
Whereas they are taking our hundi money.
Yes.
What will you say about it? And what will you like to say to the CM of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Jagan Reddy?
Yeah. This is ridiculous to encourage Christian missionaries because they got so much money from other countries and they have Dashama Bhaga. Dashama Bhaga means they get 10% from every Christian, these churches. Without this 10%, the church and Christianity never alive. And 1 penny this government never get from Christians. And Christians have so many acres, lakhs of acres land that is donated by British government some 100 years ago.
Which was taken from us.
Yeah, our land only. And they are collecting this 10% from converted Christians. And they are not giving 1 penny to government. And government is giving ration, clothes, special kits for them in the name of Christmas and all. So now, no government, any state government do like this. Our AP government is doing to increase Christianity because our CM is Christian. His mother also says, because Jagan has to go to temple because most people are Hindus. Otherwise, we never go to temple. Because they are against idol worship. So, but what happened, no? Telugu people, I told you, they don't have spiritual knowledge. They are zeros. They fight for caste. They fight for money. They fight for party. They no need morals. They are ready for quarrels. So, these guys, maximum, Telugus, they felt this CM is my caste. In that mood they support. They don't want dharma. They want only caste. But when you are not Hindu, where is your caste? And government following this British rule, divide and rule. What they are doing? Making one corporation. You are one corporation, one caste. Oh, Brahmana corporation. You are a Kamma corporation, a Kapu corporation, a Reddy corporation, Mala corporation, Madi corporation. Like that, they divide one caste and they make corporation. And what happened? These fellows thinks, yeah, I'm only that caste person. Namesake, they are Hindus. That's a big problem.
What will you say that priests, many temples are dying?
Yeah, see.
Without money.
Yeah. In temple, there is government officer. Government want temple money. And government never encourage Hindu dharma. They are, like in Telugu, they are saying, Nivelu Nikan. With your finger only, they want poke your eyes. They are taking our money and they are destroying, disturbing Hindu dharma. So how they will take care pujaris and temples? They want only money. So that's why I already 2 years ago I announced and I preached, I gave a slogan, say no to hundi. Don't put single penny in the government ruled temples. So that what happened? They go out from the temple. They want only money. They don't want dharma. They don't want God. They never consider this idol is a God.